Fish on. Got him. Fish on. Today has turned into a multi-species beatdown. What is up, everybody? Fish Hawk here. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm doing some river fishing. I'm fishing for anything that's willing to bite. It is going to be a beautiful fall day, getting up to about 52 degrees, sunny, no clouds, a little bit of a breeze. The river is very low and very clear. Could be challenging, but hopefully we can get on some fish. Stay tuned. Today I got my 6-foot ultralight St. Croix Premier rod, Fluger President reel, 4-pound test, P-line fluorocarbon. Down on this end, I have a Euro Tackle EPF swim on a 1/16 ounce tungsten jig head. If you want anything from Euro Tackle, use code FISHHAWK to save some money. Fish on. First fish of the day, little smallmouth. Fish on. Something tiny. Holy moly. Just a little fella. Oh, fish on. Oh, there's a little nicer one. Beautiful fish. Fish on. What do we got? Oh, pretty little fall fish. All right, guys, time to make a move. Caught some fish out of here. Nothing big, but a couple different species. Fish on. Oh, it's a smallmouth. Man, they're pretty in this clear water. Not a bad one. Right in the upper lip. Absolutely gorgeous smallmouth. Fish on again. Another big creek chub, holy moly. Big old creek chub. Fish on. Oh, it's a smallie. Not a bad one at all. Beautiful fish. Fish on. Whoa, what's this? Is it a green sunfish? Yeah, it is. Pretty green sunfish. Got him. Fish on. They can't resist it when you let it lay on the bottom and twitch it. Watched him go down and eat it. Little small jaws. All I'm doing to fish this EPF swim is casting it out, letting it sink all the way to the bottom, and then I'm working it slowly back to me, trying to keep it close to the bottom, giving my rod tip some twitches to give that swim bait a little action. But in the fall and winter, when the water temps start to drop, these fish aren't as active, they're not as aggressive, and neither are the bait fish that they're feeding on. So you want to imitate that as closely as possible. A lot of these fish today are liking it when I let the swim bait go all the way to the bottom and just rest on the bottom, and the fish are going down and picking it up. Fish on. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it's a fall fish? Pretty fall fish. See you, buddy. Fall fish are one of the hardest fish to hang on to, in my experience. They're very slimy and they don't hold still. Fish on. From way down in the depths. Look what we got. We got ourselves a beautiful little rock bass. Look at that. Today has turned into a multi-species beatdown. I've caught a ton of different species. I'm not even sure how many I've caught. Fish on. Oh, that's a little smallie. What a gorgeous little smallie. I got a fish. Oh, another rock bass. What a gorgeous fish. Little rock bass. Lots of action and lots of fish today. Nothing big, but didn't really expect to catch anything too big. That's why I got the ultralight set up with 4-pound test line. It's an absolute blast catching these fish. All right, guys, time to make a move. Fish on. What do we got? Something little. It's a fish. Little rock bass. Let's go. Pretty little rock bass. Well, there is some life in this hole. Wasn't sure if there would be any fish in this hole because it's completely still, no current flowing through it, and it's very cloudy. It just looks dead, but there is indeed some hungry fish down there. Fish on. Little green sunfish. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Had a great day of river fishing. Didn't catch anything big, but caught quite a few fish and a bunch of different species. The conditions were absolutely terrible. Sunny skies, no clouds. The river very low and very clear. Despite the conditions, we landed a bunch of fish. It was a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hulk out.